Hej alle sammen.
Velkommen tilbage.
Velkommen tilbage
til min YouTube-kanal.
To my YouTube-kanal.
Yeah!
If you didn't get that, hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very fun fall video planned. If you missed the last video, I'm in Denmark. Say hi, this is Sophie.
Hi.
She was my pen pal, she was my foreign exchange student. You guys get the gist.
You get it.
We have a fall themed day ahead of us. We're gonna make, well, first we're gonna get coffee.
Yeah.
Second, we're gonna get air drying clay to make who knows what. And then we're gonna get pumpkins to carve them tonight. And then we're gonna make a little fall decoration for outside of her apartment. And then we're gonna watch movies. We're getting a lot of stuff. That's what we're about to do right now. You're gonna see us on the top.
Actually, we had to leave now. We have a packed program.
We have a packed program. Catch you later. Jeg drikker kaffe.
Exactly.
Kaffe.
Lad os gå ud og købe kaffe.
Okay, anyways, we actually have to go.
Yeah.
This one? Oh, that would take us so long to carve. Imagine two young women walking the streets with two massive pumpkins and a bag of groceries and a hot chocolate and a coffee. It's not for the weak. And where was our Prince Charming when we needed him? Nowhere to be found.
We needed him the most.
Imagine us walking the streets with these. Exactly. It's time to put our sweaters on and get so cozy. So normally the dynamic when we're cooking, Sophie cooks and I stand nearby.
No, that's not.
Occasionally I will cut something, but it's mainly me being like, what do I do? And then I just kind of stand over here in the corner and I'm like,
no.
Do you need help? We're making tomato soup and grilled cheese. Drinking my electrolytes because I think my coffee water ratio is very bad today. Very bad. And I'm going to cut whatever Sophie tells me to cut. Gotta roll up my roll up my sleeves. Whenever I cook with Sophie, I think I lose like brain cells. Like if I were by myself, I'd be so capable.
Yeah.
But when I'm cooking with Sophie, I'm like, what do I do? Like she's like a chef over here. And I'm like, how do I boil water?
Nikki D.
Okay, guys, we have to talk about this. We have to talk about this. We just binged Love is Blind season 7. Sophie's never seen Love is Blind. I unfortunately have watched every season. That is not my proudest statement.
Unfortunately.
But it's true, and I've watched every season, so sorry. I was like, Sophie, you have to watch this show. We're waiting for the next episodes to come out next week.
Oh my.
Comment your opinions. / should I go on Love is Blind? So, okay, so look what we have so far. Friday night, clay night, fall night, Friday night. What are you gonna make?
I don't know. I think I'm gonna make a little pumpkin or something.
This went so swimmingly compared to last time.
That's actually kind of concerning.
No, I know. Am I
Wow. Are you
clay artist? And we're done.
And that was it. That was all.
And then with the candle in it, it will look like this.
Wow.
Dang, well, what else should I make? I'm on a roll.
The world is in front of you. Can you
The
see
world
that?
is in front of you. The world is your
Sometimes
oyster.
I just like, what? What is it actually?
The world is your oyster.
Yeah. Sometimes I just make up my own little.
Yeah. Your own little slogans.
Yeah.
It's perfect. Artist hands. You should probably check on dinner.
Very good.
Yeah. We talk a big talk.
So
It's literally 8 and we're like, yeah, we're done for the day.
yeah, we can't.
We just got seconds of our soup and we were discussing, we were like, I mean, like we can totally just carve them tomorrow, carve the pumpkins tomorrow night. And you know, the clay probably won't be dry, so we can probably do that Sunday. And we're kind of already tired.
Yeah. So maybe we should just watch this movie, make the clay, and then we can like start another movie and then like, you know.
Yeah, and I was like, you know, I have to edit too. So like it's a wise decision.
Bring in our comforters and
I just feel so relaxed after that soup.
no, true.
Like I'm like ready for bed. At the beginning we were a little too ambitious. We're gonna get pumpkins to carve them tonight. Oh, we want to make like apple things. Ooh, we have a packed program.
We're gonna do this and this and this and then we did one thing.
Like we barely. The one thing is sitting over there. You win some, you lose some.
You always do like I was hoping
You were hoping Meredith would help you out.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
well, some of it's not that good.
Yeah.
Right there. It worked.
Yay.
I'm actually shocked at how
Yeah.
well. I didn't think we would get it first try.
No.
We're making our outside of the door decoration today. Then the world is our oyster.
Exactly. Like yesterday.
The world is ahead of us. Yadrega? No. How do you say it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yadrega. Cough.
In
Kaffe. Kaffe.
Eller en cup coffee.
Cup coffee.
Yeah.
What does mean?
One or a.
Okay. What does air mean?
R.
Air? Oh, okay. So I just said I drink R. This whole video is just me standing by watching you do stuff, and I'm like, yeah, pretty. It's so cute. Cheers. We're trying to do this TikTok dance, but we're gonna have to blur out the audio so I won't get copyrighted. But this is so funny. Watch that. We're carving pumpkins. And I'm making Sophie watch Hubie Halloween. And I actually haven't watched this in like 2 or 3 years since it came out. And I talk a big talk about this movie. So hopefully it's as good as I remember. We have our tea and Christmas cups because we're excited for Christmas. I don't know what I'm gonna carve.
This is my inspiration.
What? Oh. I actually just don't know what I'm doing. Okay, we'll come back if something interesting happens, but we gotta lock in. Cue the pumpkin montage. Mine has a little rotted spot right there, and that's gonna be the nose. Pumpkin reveal! I can't show mine after Sophie's because hers is so good.
No, it's...
What do you mean? It's so good.
It's funny looking.
It's literally perfect.
Oh, we love it.
Yours is literally perfect.
Yours is perfect.
I don't like the nose or the eyes. It looks like a cat. I was gonna put like...
This looks like a wolf or something.
I was gonna put these up here.
Ah! Let's put some lights.
Ah!
And then
Okay guys, that's it for the video. Our pumpkins turned out so cute. We had to blow the candles out because we didn't want to burn down her apartment building because they were literally burning. Hope you guys enjoyed. We love doing fun fall things. It's so pretty here in Denmark and I can't wait to continue the fall festivities. See you guys next week. Hope you're having a good day. If you're not, go get a coffee and carve a pumpkin and put a Halloween movie on. Love you.